trees, palms green, looking at these palms, reading scriptures about these bitches that be stripping off their thongs, getting lifted off the bone. Only gift we give is strong. I've been toking this potent, smoking this shit till I was numb. The blunt is nearly done and these hits be home runs. I drink, I'm never drunk. You blink, all this is done. On the brink of slow motion, purple potion when I pour it in. Sugar and spice, everything nice. Not when my Chem X gets in. Not while my infection lives. I need a prescription. Xanax, LSD, shrooms up in my system, leaking to my wisdom. Anything is possible. Watch the bowl burn in circles, crush the purple herbal. This evil is internal, I can't let it get out. Looking at the skies while I'm thinking out loud. You should know this by now, I'm not your average human being. They call me Freddy Krueger while I infiltrate your dreams, doing shit you've never seen with my 3 sharp blades, chopping other rappers to help you upgrade. And yes, I'm unpaid, and yes, this is delayed, but I'm praying that you put some palm trees up for the shade, nigga.
So many grams dipping my hand into the bag, and now I palm trees. See, you can never be me. You don't see what I see. You can't be what I be. I'm coming in harder than Mr. Carter and Night Armor, and it's sore, but my mind's sharper. So I'm here to fucking conquer this rap game. You niggas are the same. You should be ashamed, chasing fame. You's a lame, so I take my AK and aim right at your brain. Bang bang. Rest in peace to you and to this beat. Middle finger to the police. My blunt ain't fat, it's fucking obese. Eyes low like I'm fucking Chinese, smoking till my eyes bleed. I'm the greatest Ali, and you just playing Scotty. But me, I'm like 2-3, the best MC. Flow so deadly, trust me nigga, I am ready for war. Ready to even the score, I'm ready to tour. Get ready for gore, cause I'ma tear this shit up. Got liquor in my cup, I just can't get enough. And you know we rolling up, so it's puff puff pass. But I don't pass, cause I don't chief with your bitch ass. Get your own grass, fuck everybody in this class. I promise all of y'all that I'll get the last laugh. Ha.
Hey yo, rap genius, annotate this. I got hella cash, hella money, I'm elevated, I'm hella faded. Not a lead up to a verse, this the verse, I wanna let them know.
But the verse got the track in the back of the hearse, and I let them show that's an open casket, open basket. Ballin' hard, got the spalling falling in the basket, in the net. Bitch, I've been a threat since MySpace was in effect on the internet. You's a rookie rapper, bitch, I've been a vet, and I murder shit, I ain't murder yet, man, I'm in effect. You should know this, see the track list? My mind a gun and it's blasting off, man, my face is backlit. It's probably why I'm so bright, man. Face the facts, kids. I slay the rap shit, leave your knee right by your neck, and I leave your face right where your back is. But let me get back to this, I'm attacking this, busy back in this bitch, smashing shit. Busy back the track, smashing advocate, he's back to prove he's damn near immaculate. He's flyer than a pterodactyl, looking like he's shackled to the back of a Boeing. I'm going, and I'm gone. I'm gone, and I'm back, just like that. Every nigga said I got it, but you get it. Until I'm whipping a Gotti, my nigga tryna get it. I wanna whip a Bugatti while Hottie's minute with it. I got the wit to fuck around, man, I'm gonna get it. I'ma get it together hotter than summer in a sweater with jalapeno peppers in the desert. Deserted with a double dancer with a flamethrower, throwing flames in a shower, turn all the way up. That's hot as fuck, nigga, goddamn. I don't really give a fuck, nigga, goddamn. Yeah, and you's a fuck, nigga, goddamn. You's a fuck, nigga, goddamn. And I don't give a fuck, nigga, goddamn. Your bitch tryna fuck, nigga, goddamn. Whoa.